Imagine unlocking a universe of brand new product possibilities, powered by cutting-edge AI. This is what building with Deepseek AI is all about, transforming your most ambitious product ideas into tangible realities. Our journey begins in the fertile ground of ideation. Think of Deepseek as your intelligent brainstorming partner. It can analyze market trends, identify unmet customer needs, and even suggest novel product concepts you might never have considered. This AI-driven exploration helps you pinpoint those truly innovative opportunities, shaping your initial sparks of inspiration into well-defined product objectives. Next, we move into the prototyping phase. Deepseek's AI functionalities can accelerate this significantly. It can generate design mock-ups, simulate user interactions, and even predict potential performance issues before you even build a physical prototype. This allows for rapid iteration, letting you test and refine your product vision with unprecedented speed and accuracy, ensuring your design is user-centric from the outset. Finally, we reach implementation, and beyond. Deepseek AI isn't just about creation. It's about optimization. It can streamline your development processes, automate tasks, and even predict maintenance needs for your final product. This translates to more efficient production, enhanced product performance, and a continuously improving user experience throughout the product's lifespan. By leveraging Deepseek's powerful AI capabilities, from initial concept to final rollout, you gain a robust framework to develop truly innovative solutions, unlock new market opportunities, and revolutionize product development across any industry. Let's start building the future together.